Hello everyone, this is now my 8th cooking video and it is roast butternut squash filled with quinoa. So here we have one reasonably large butternut squash, which I just need to chop the top and the bottom off, and then it will lie flat on the chopping board. So I'm going to slice this now straight down the middle, so it's lying flat on the chopping board. Right. So at this point you need to put on your oven to 180 degrees. To get that preheated, you need to do that at this time, and I need to scrape out the seeds and the sinew from the butternut squash. Okay, so I've scraped out the sinew and about 10 minutes has passed. I've got a fan oven, so it's nice and hot now. If you've got an ordinary oven, you might have to wait an extra 10 minutes. So now I'm going to coat this in olive oil and generous with some salt and pepper, and also some cumin. Okay, so that's ready for the oven. So I'm going to place it in there, quite near to the top, medium to the top. You don't want it right at the top because you might burn it. So we're going to leave that in there for about 40 minutes. So whilst the squash is in the oven, I've cooked the quinoa. It's 80 grams, about a mug of water, and you want to bring it up to the heat and then bring it back down, and it'll absorb the water. It takes about 15 minutes, and the quinoa should be nice and soft and all ready to go. So this is red peppers, carrots and peeled courgettes. I need to dice these up as small as possible, so finely diced. And I also have sliced garlic and ginger, or you can use crushed garlic and ginger. This is fresh. You can use dried or whatever you have to hand. So now all the veggies is diced up, and with the ginger and garlic there, and I have a hot pan there that is half olive oil and half rapeseed oil. Just standard cooking oil is rapeseed oil. So I'm going to add the garlic and ginger. Then just pour in all of this. I'm going to spill a lot, it always happens. Didn't actually spill as much as I thought. Anyway, it's all in the pan now, and it's just been brought up to the heat. So you need to keep that going for at least, I'd say, 5 to 7 minutes, just so it's all tender. And then we'll come back and have a look. Okay, I've taken the squash from the oven now. It's been in there about 40 minutes. It's nicely roasted, and we have the vegetables nice and tender. I'm going to add the quinoa. Stir that in. Also going to add to that now some seasoning. And again, cumin, and we'll leave that for a couple of minutes just to get the flavour to come through in the seasoning. So that's heated through nicely. I've just tasted it. The seasoning is quite nice with the cumin, nice flavour. So now it's coming to the end. Warming this through. I'm going to squeeze in a juice of lemon, quarter of lemon I've got here. Squeeze that in. And take this off the heat now, and we can start to put it on the squash. So now it's just quite simple. Just going to spoon the quinoa into the butternut squash and basically just cover it in the quinoa with the vegetables and cumin. Okay, so I need to put this back in the oven now for another 10 minutes. Okay, so 10 minutes have just passed, well 12 to be precise, but I'm going to take it out now. Hopefully it'll be nicely roasted. And there we go. You want to leave that for say, oops, sorry about the bang, 5 minutes, and put it on a plate and get ready to tuck in. Okay, so I'm just going to put some olive oil, just sort of dress it over there. Whoa, it's a bit maybe too much. And just, whoa, a bit of balsamic, actually, that's about right. That's just an added extra, olive oil and balsamic. So that is roasted butternut squash with quinoa. If you like this video, please like it. I want you to put any comments below. I'd be happy to answer. And please subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Thank you very much.